Hey everyone, this is John, and in this video, I'm going to be going over a tool that is going to allow you to set up websites to sell your online course, coaching program, services, or digital products. And that tool is called Course Creator 360. Now, in order to set up a website on Course Creator 360, you can either do it of one of four ways, okay? You can either start from scratch, you can start from one of their templates, like the ones that you see right over here. You could either also use an AI generated creation tool. You could also use an AI generated website, which I'll show you how to do that within this video, or you can hire someone to create your website for you. Now on Course Creator 360, they have two different kinds of landing pages is what I call it. They have funnels and they have websites. Now the difference between both of these is that websites, in my opinion, are just giving you information, where funnels usually drive someone to take action. Maybe it's to purchase your course or purchase your coaching program. But the main difference is that funnels encourage you to take action, and then websites just provide information. Now, in order to create a website, the first thing that you can do is that you can start from scratch. Now, I don't recommend that you do this just because number one, it's going to take you a lot of time. And number two, you have more effective ways at creating websites which have been proven to work, and that's by using templates. So if you were to create a website here, let's just create a blank website. Let me actually show you what you're dealing with. So we're creating a blank website and designing it from scratch. Here we're going to click on add a new page. I'm just going to name this home 3 and then create page. So here, this is a completely blank website, okay? This is going to take you a lot of time to edit, especially if you haven't created a website before. So what you'll have to do is that you'll have to start drag and dropping the sections, and then you can drag and drop different rows. So we'll add a 1-column row, and then we'll actually start finally adding elements. So this is, let's say, task force homepage. Okay, so this is going to take you a very long time, especially to get the colors right and also to get all your copy and text here as well. So that is starting from scratch, but that is an option. And with Course Creator 360, they do have a very easy drag and drop website builder. It's not hard to use, but let me show you the next option. Now, what you can do is that you could actually use one of their website templates. So they have templates for both websites and funnels, and their templates are not just any generic templates, okay? These are templates that they've used to sell millions of dollars of online course sales. So the difference is that these templates are not the same templates that you see from here, okay? Don't use these templates. These are just super generic templates that haven't been proven to convert, right? So don't use these templates. I mean, you can if you want to, but I really don't recommend you doing so. If you sell an online course, coaching program, or service, use one of their website templates, which are provided to you if you use my link down below in order to sign up for Course Creator 360. So what that's going to look like is you have the templates here, and then you click on these 3 dots, and then you go ahead and clone it. And so we're going to clone it in our task force sub account, but we're just going to name this test website video home and then click on confirm. So you just need to give it a couple of seconds for this to actually go ahead and clone that website onto here. Best practices is to not edit the template listed in the Course Creator 360 account, okay? Before you actually edit a template, you always want to make sure that you duplicate it and then edit the copied version. This is just to prevent any mishaps that might happen in the future. In case Course Creator 360 decides to edit this template, you don't want your changes to be messed up. So here's the duplicated version. And so if we click onto this right here, here we have the home page, Premiere Pro editing page, premium sales page, and checkout page. We would just want to work with the home page. Just click on edit. And now you have a lot of customizations to work with, okay? You already have a menu, you have graphics. You just replace the graphics, change the branding, change your text. Obviously change everything to a custom with what your branding or business is like, okay? But you have like a starter place here. This template is what they've used to sell millions of dollars of online sales. But it really does give you a nice kickstart to starting a website on Course Creator 360. You really don't have to start from scratch. So they use a very easy drag and drop builder where let's name this the ultimate tool. Here we'll say browse, how do we change the text? Browse workshops, browse courses. So it's very easy to edit. All you've got to do again is replace your branding. But if we go back, I mean, I use this as a duplicate, and let me show you what my homepage looks like. And you can see there's a lot of similarities between the two. So this is what my homepage looks like, and this is built from a template that came from Course Creator 360. So there's a lot of similarities between this one here and the template that I based it off on. But if I were to start this from scratch, it would take me forever. Now, the third way you could actually go ahead and build a website on Course Creator 360 is that you can use their AI generated website creation feature. And so what that looks like is if you click on this 90-minute bootcamp, which is a 14-step process on how to get started with Course Creator 360, this is included with your membership if you do decide to sign up, and then click on before watching anything. They have a template filler form. And what this is that it's an 8-part questionnaire that asks you what's your name, what's your business about, what product do you serve, and 3 sentences describe your product. So they use this questionnaire to actually go ahead and fill out the AI generated templates with Course Creator 360. So what that looks like is this right here is a course website page that is AI generated using that 8-part questionnaire that you'll fill out. So you can see that it includes a sales page, a checkout page, and a confirmation page. And this right here is built specifically for course creators. So with that questionnaire, it's AI generated. It's going to complete all the copywriting for you. It's going to input all the descriptions, all the bullet points. And of course, you still have to edit it after you fill out that form and import the template. But it is a good option to have that they do offer an AI generated website template so that you don't have to fill out everything yourself. So this is something that I haven't seen other softwares offer before when it comes to website building. Now, the last way you can build a website on Course Creator 360 is that under 90-minute bootcamp, if you click on the Start Here option, you can actually get your funnel or website migrated if you have an existing website. So if you're coming from Kajabi, you can pay someone to actually go ahead and migrate your entire website and your entire funnel over onto Course Creator 360. So you just click on this button right over here, and it usually costs around $35 for up to 5 pages, but the more complex your website is, of course, it can cost more. So that is pretty much it, and it really depends on whether you have more time or money. Like if you have a lot more time, then yes, you can start from scratch. If you want to save a bit more time, you can use one of their templates. If you want to save even more time, then you can use the AI generated website builder. Or if you have more money, you can just you can pay CC360 to migrate your existing funnel and website over onto this software. But that's pretty much it, guys, as far as this website builder tutorial goes. I hope you found this video helpful in me covering 4 different ways to build a website or your landing pages on Course Creator 360. If you haven't signed up for Course Creator 360 just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up in order to get a free 30-day trial. And you'll also get this 90-minute bootcamp, which is included. So this 90-minute bootcamp is a 14-step process teaching you step-by-step on how to get started with Course Creator 360. Under each of these are video lessons, and under each of the video lessons, you have these actionable steps so that you know exactly what to do when you get started with Course Creator 360. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.